what gonna be the hobbies of a beautiful Miss KYF? Of course, I'm sure about all of you is that they would like to know as well. So I'm gonna ask you a question. Like, what is your hobbies? I mean, those day-to-day thing that you love to do.
Well, as a hobby, it's not like a hobby, it's just a thing that I do every day. I like listening to music and watching documentaries and all.
Okay, so since you're something that goes with a trend, okay,
Yes.
she's a trend follower, and you said you were interested in exploring.
Yeah.
So, what are the things that you have explored so far?
Well, the things which I could get so much attached with are like the documentaries that I watch, like things relating to the past and those archaeology things are I'm really very obsessed with those things. And
Okay.
yeah, I would really love visiting those places which I have watched so far.
Okay, so um, you are interested in archaeology. So,
Yes.
um, if you pass out your TDC, so
Yes.
what course are you gonna take?
Well, I'm really very much interested in archaeology, but I think I would go for the profession of professor.
Professor, okay, that's my favorite as well. I don't know why she's so same with me. So I want to ask you thing. You know, there are things that we're passionate about.
Yes.
So, do you have anything that you're so much passionate about and would never love to lose it?
Well, I am very passionate about one thing, and that's I want to make my life into a more meaningful, and I want people to remember me still the very date. Oh, I mean, I'm so sorry. Like, um, I'm very passionate about one thing, and I'm sure that I'll be able to achieve it because I want to make not just my life, but also my dad's life a very comfortable one, and to make sure that he's happy with everything I do.
I think that's a role of a strong woman. I think that we all need to learn from her because most of the children today, I cannot say whether it's the upbringing of the parent or not, but most of the people, most of the children, most of the youngsters today, they avoid their parent. They forget about their parents. So this is a thing that we need to learn from her. That when we grow up, we not only need to